If you want to trade with price action and wants to learn how to read chart, then this video is for you. Right now, as you can see, this is Euro US dollar chart and the price action on a longer time frame is downtrend. And here, if you look carefully, market is also breaking, which means that market now will fall. If I draw the support zone, this is the last range and it's been broken. I have placed a trade. This was the support zone and it's been broken here clearly. Previously the market was ranging here. Market was moving from the resistance to the support, to the resistance, to the support, resistance, support, and at the end a breakout came and market closes below the level. This was a strong bearish candle. So let's understand the chart now. So if you look at the chart, this is the high, this is the low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high, lower low, and that's how market reached this lower low. After that market goes down, but it failed to break the previous low and it closes and reverses from the same level. After this particular level and this swing high, market was moving in that range. Market was consolidated here. So this was the consolidation phase, and after that market goes up and broke the previous swing high and created this higher high swing, which means that now the trend is uptrend because it breaks the previous swing high, which was formed on a downtrend. But after that, what happens? Market didn't go up that much, but it created this zone in which this was the resistance and this was the support. Market was moving in that range, which means that the market was a ranging market, a sideways market, neither an uptrend nor a downtrend. So we all know that whenever there is a sideways market, you can take a trade in the breakout direction. In this case, this was the last extreme support range, and here this candle broke the level clearly, meaning that market should fall now, and that's the reason I placed my trade here for a 5-minute expiry in the downward direction, because the breakout was clear, the market was ranging, so the breakout should work. The candle that broke was very strong. It's a Marubozu bearish candle, which again shows one thing, that the market should go down. As this is not any trendy market, we can expect that we are going to get a smooth fall in the downward direction. So that's the reason why I place this trade. Now, a ranging market is something that you should always look, because from ranging market you will find breakout, you will find the trend reversal. Like in this case, after this range, market broke and it goes up. Similarly, in this case, after the breakout, you can expect that the market will fall. And if you go in past, you will find so many cases when after the consolidation phase, like here, market consolidated here. This is the support and this is the resistance, you can see. And after the consolidation phase, the breakout happens, and then after, market will follow that breakout. So whenever you see the ranging market, you always look for breakout, because that can work for you. So right now we are running in loss because market reverses very quickly from that level, and I'm expecting that market will fall smoothly in the downward direction. It might be the case that we can lose this trade, but I'm expecting that market will fall according to the price action. It doesn't matter if I'm going to win this trade or not, but according to the price action which I analyzed, for me, the market needs to go down. If I lose this trade, I will still place one more trade in the downward direction, because that's what the price action is suggesting. Right now, if you look carefully what's happening, market is inside the resistance zone, inside that support zone again, but I'm expecting, because according to the price action, market will go down in the future. So let's see. And you can see we have lost this trade, but I know that we will going to win a trade very soon. So let me plan one more trade. This is the resistance, and let's see if we have anything in the trend. Okay, so this resistance is strong as the trend resistance is there and the horizontal level is also there. So I will just remove it and we'll see how this candle will behave, because in the future if I get a confirmation by the sellers, we will enter one more trade, because according to the price action, market needs to go down. The major trend is downtrend, and this is the pullback phase, which turns out to be a sideways market. So we can expect that the market will fall soon, and the market broke this level. No worries, we have so many levels which are available for us to place a trade, and we just have to wait for a clear confirmation, then only we will place the trade. This in this trading opportunity, the breakout was very clear, but the market reverses, but we can expect a reversal from this zone very soon, and let's wait as soon as I got the opportunity, because market is approaching towards this resistance, and we will have a trading opportunity very soon. I am very sure about it. I have no doubt in my mind. So let's see. Now the candle here, if you look carefully, the candle is this candle is smaller, which means that the buyers are somehow losing control and the sellers can reverse the market in the near future. So let's see. Now the market is approaching towards the resistance zone, which is what I wanted, because if we place our trade according to these zones, then only our chances of winning will be higher. Otherwise we can lose as well. According to my analysis, I will take the trade and then I will finish the session. It doesn't matter if I close the session with profit or loss. For me, if I'm analyzing something, it should go according to the plan. And you can see market is showing the rejections from the upper level, which is a good thing because this is what we wanted. So we just need a clear confirmation by these sellers, and then we are good to go. And we just have to wait, because patience is the key here. And you can see market reached that level which we wanted, and now we just have to wait for a clear confirmation by the sellers. Market is at the resistance level, and let's see. If you look at the candle, this is not a weak candle, but still I'm thinking that the market now will give a bearish candle. Let's see, because this is a strong resistance level, and it cannot market cannot break this zone easily. So this, I am expecting this candle will close as a bearish one. Let's see. And it is okay. Now this is what I was talking about, the rejection. The rejection came from the sellers. This was a good rejection. The market pushed in the buyers pushed the market in the upward direction again, but this is what I was thinking, because this is the early indication that you can expect a reversal. So let's see if this candle closes somewhere around here or here, and then the next candle goes down and closes somewhere around here, we can surely go for a trade. And here market is trying to break, but I don't think that market will be able to break this zone, and we can I'm sure we will going to take a reversal trade here. Let's wait. The rejection came. It was a strong rejection. It was an instant rejection by the sellers. We are going to get the confirmation very soon by the sellers. I'm just waiting for that, and then we will enter the trade, and everything is in our favor. This is a ranging market. We just need a confirmation from the resistance zone, then we can enter the trade, because the major trend is downtrend. So everything I have explained everything why I wanted to place this trade. So just I'm waiting for that confirmation. This is a clear confirmation. I just want this candle to finish as a strong bearish candle. Okay. Wow. So I have placed my trade, although the candle was not finished because it was going very strongly. And we will take one more trade at the candle finish. So we have taken 2 trades. Now let's wait for the result. And I have explained you why I took this trade. So we will finish this session as soon as the result came out. So let's wait. So we have won this trade, and I didn't plan to take 2 trades, but because our first trade was placed here, I placed another trade. The analysis was very simple. I have explained you why I was planning to place a trade in the downward direction, because the trend was downtrend. This is a ranging market. I have explained you everything. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.